Hi guys, I'm going to do another quick ETF video. This one's going to be on VNQ. It's a REIT. So the ticker is Victor, Nancy, Quebec, I guess. VNQ. REIT is a real estate investment trust. So basically it's very similar to basically like fractional real estate. Um, so REIT is a company that probably owns multiple, real estate entities that they're, renting, um, whether it's probably commercial real estate. So basically, you're buying shares into that. Um, so it's a good option if you don't have the money to buy entire property yourself. But anyways, VNQ. So let's go. Um, let's see, what is the expense ratio, the ER? Expense ratio is, I believe it's 0.13%. So 0.13 of 1%. So I guess it's probably one of the highest expense ratio ETFs that I own, but honestly 0.13 is not that bad. It's still cheaper than majority of mutual funds that are out there. So 0.13, still pretty good, pretty low fee for expense ratio. Dividend, I believe is actually 4%. It's like 3.85, I believe. So it's pretty close to 4% dividend. So it's a pretty good dividend. Actually, I think it's the highest dividend for ETFs that I own. So excellent if you're a dividend investor. 10-year return on VNQ would be annual return over a 10-year basis is 7%. So definitely a lot lower than the other ETFs I own. So most of the ETFs are probably about 10% annual return, but definitely the dividend is higher than most ETFs. So there's kind of a trade-off there depending on if you're more of a dividend investor or if you're looking for growth. What is the index? Obviously, it's all going to be real estate. I believe it is 90, at least 95% domestic. So it's a US, or US stocks or US ETF, domestic ETF. Holdings, I believe there are 160 different companies in VNQ, 160 companies in this ETF. The market cap, this one was a little confusing to me. I got some conflicting information. Morningstar says it is a mid cap blend as far as capitalization, but when I looked at the actual details, it looked like it's more large cap and mega cap to me. So I'm not too sure about this one. I'm not sure about the market cap. There is some conflicting information that I was looking at. So definitely do your own research. In general, if you buy ETFs, stocks, any type of investment, do your own research because this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you a little bit more information so you can make a better decision on what you'd like to invest in. So yeah, so quick review. Ticker is VNQ. It is a REIT, a real estate investment trust. similar to fractional real estate. The expense ratio is 0.13% of 1%, still pretty low, so not too bad. Dividend is 4%, great dividend. 10-year return, 7% annual return over 10 years. Index is real estate, holdings 160 companies. So by number, obviously it's more than 20 or 30 companies. So in that sense, it's diversified, but as far as sector, it is not diversified. All 160 companies in VNQ are real estate based. So if real estate crashes, temporarily or even for a long term, probably all 160 companies are probably going to go down in price. So it is not diversified, in my opinion, even though it does have a large number of companies in this ETF. And it is market cap. I am unsure. I believe the information I see looks like it's more large cap and mega cap, but in Morningstar it's listed as mid cap blend. Okay. All right. Thanks for listening, guys. Later.